موجودة استعمال على French كاس. This kind of French a little bit. So some waxaan u use karaynaa kajabkaas. Iskaas ugu shubaya marka badinayo kala yariis. Okay. Kaas markaa dhahdid. يقللا dry waa chicken kan dry saliid male isma male qaleel waaye kaas birtu iyo dhex kubtay okay sorry kaas mida birta qabsatay hadiga saar maro saa u sameynaysa so what see that's it. It's gonna be like this longer. وده ديري هاي ما شاء الله. ساس ويان كاس قرح ما شاء الله. سليد ملهن وحب ملهن. سلري حكم الدراي هاد السنة ما شاء الله. It's gonna be like this. Gonna use this for this kind of fish here. There's that one. So this is nice, ما شاء الله. I'll watch when I finish it and come back. MashaAllah, mujidan quruxdiisa. Cheese-kaas yara ku shubaysaa. I'll use that kind of cheese mix. Ta-da! This is ready, see? I make ready. I put back the stove because I wanna flip the other side. I have to do this. Hot. Because you're gonna want is brown both sides. Okay. That's what I'm gonna warm. See? It's coming like that. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, هذا هو حقينا. Okay guys, enjoy the video. Is it? labada dhinac saasay ka noqonaysaa. Okay, so it's MashaAllah wakaas side-ka red rice halkaas waxaa waaye kajab adaarta waxaa ka dhigan karta adaa ka dhiganayo marka wakaas share like and subscribe and all that. Okay, it's healthy food inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.